That Lady Anne is a beautiful engine. I built that myself. Never built one before, but it was so easy to build. You don't have to be a rocket scientist, it's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, it's a lovely engine. I'm not advertising, but I tell you something, people need to be told about Roundhouse. They're absolutely excellent. And after sales services is just brilliant as well. Look at that, that's gorgeous. You can see what sort of pressure you've got on the gauge there. It's around about £35, but she runs at about 20. So there's no... And she's pulling 21 trucks. 21. That is the longest train I've ever put together.